Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the technical information, the specs of Beats Solo4 wireless with the AirPods Max and what are the things you need to know. So first thing that I want to share is that in the past when I was in Amazon Influencer program, I was reviewing the Beats Solo 3 and also AirPods Max, and when I was listening to AirPods Max and I reviewed many of the headphones, I can say the AirPods Max were like dominating Beats Solo, like dominating. That was my personal preference, like the bass, the quality and everything was just way too good. Now when we're gonna look here on the weight, the AirPods Max are more like a higher weight, so therefore the Beats Solo 4 is winner here. Then you're gonna have driver size. This is going to be the custom. This is going to be like the tie there. Frequency response, I would have a tie. Even when you can have improved frequency response, I can really say it's better comparing to AirPods Max. Sound technology. Now the sound technology is just better. And like, you don't have to trust me. Just check some other videos who are like the AirPods Max. Like the sound was insane there. Insane. Now we're going to look here. The noise cancelling. This is something that you have with AirPods that you don't have with the Beats Solo 4. Then you can have a battery life up to 50 hours. Here it's up to 20 hours, so that's better for the Beats Solo 4. Now when we're gonna look further, Beats Solo 4 got better quick charge. Bluetooth version, this is like a type, both unspecified, but probably it's going to be similar. Then you can multi-point connection, same. Voice integration, same. And AirPods Max got better features, but the price is higher, therefore the Solo 4 is better. Now, if you don't look for the noise cancellation, if you don't mind that it's going to have worse possibly audio quality and bass and stuff like that, also it's got different construction, then you can go with the Solo 4. But if you're looking for active noise cancelling, if you're looking for the better voice, then also they're gonna have lower battery life but better additional features, you can go with the AirPods Max, but be aware that the price is higher. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.